Hello everyone, and welcome to Sweet Talk with Ben. On today's Sweet Talk, we're going to be looking at how to customize the AutoDoc fields within your documents here in ConstructionSuite. As you know, those AutoDoc fields are what allow you to pull in the specific project and contact and company information directly into these documents or the contracts, proposals that you generate in order to help streamline that documentation process. Well, let's go ahead and open up the contracts and docs and pull open a thank you letter that I've been working on. Now here in this thank you letter, you'll notice that the fields that I want to focus on, or rather the text that I want to focus on here, I've highlighted in blue. That blue is just as a flag for me so that I know that these are the fields that I want to be auto-populating. When we create an auto-populating field and then bring that into a project, you'll notice that the text that it automatically pulls in is blue. Now that blue text brings that information directly to your attention so you can make sure that everything is pulled in correctly, that everything looks good before you go through and submit that to your client or the contact of your choice. Well, let's go ahead and begin inserting some of these AutoDoc fields. We'll want to make sure that we go to the Tools icon up on the ribbon here, and we'll locate the Custom AutoDoc field about in the center of the ribbon. Now, if I want to go ahead and insert a date field here, I certainly can do so. Let's go ahead, we'll just click on the date field after we've highlighted the text. That will replace that text with this date field. You notice now that when I hover over date, we can see that there is a hyperlink there. And then if we also wanted to go through and insert the year, we can certainly do that as well. That way when it populates, it'll bring in the current date and the current year as well, just as a way to help you save a step there. Let's go ahead and insert the company information as well. Now, we want to go ahead and show our full company information, meaning our name and then our full primary address, where we can be located, where the client can get a hold of us. So let's go to the company fields here. We'll go to primary address, and then we'll say company full address. Now that full address, like I said, is going to bring in the company name as well as where we are located, how they can get in touch with us, and that way where they can find us. Same goes for the contact information that we want to go ahead and include. Except now we're going to go to the contact fields, primary info, and the contact primary full address. Now you don't have to highlight existing text in order to insert one of these AutoDoc fields. So we want to go ahead and pull in the first name of the contact who we're going to be working with. So we're just going to insert the cursor here directly behind this comma that I've already put in. We'll go to Contact Fields, General Info, and the contact's first name. Now in the same way that we've been doing the other ones, we're going to go ahead and select the company name here. Go to Additional Info, Company Name. And then say we wanted to personalize this. What if we wanted to go ahead and insert the project that we're working on? We're again just going to highlight this text, go to the project fields, we go to general info and project name. Once we've inserted that information, just as a closing, we're going to go to the company fields again, additional info, and company name. So say, now that we have everything looking exactly how we want it to, we want to go ahead and save this as a template to be used for a later date. So we're just going to go to the File tab here, click on Save As, and then we're going to want to make sure we save it as a template. Then once it's saved, we'll be able to pull this template in to use for any other projects at any time. Just so we can see exactly how this is going to look when we populate information into it, we'll go to the ConstructionSuite tab, click on Document Wizard. We'll see we're wanting to use Alice Gorey as our contact, the Abernathy residence as our project information. We'll click OK. And there we have it. We now see that our date's pulled in along with our company and contact information. We filled in our name of our contact here, as well as the other preceding information. Once all this information has pulled in here, we can go ahead and select the Page Layout tab, click blue to black, and there you have it. All the information has now switched from that blue ink to the black. It's ready for you to print off, ready for you to submit to your client. Like I said, these AutoDoc fields will certainly help you as far as expediting and streamlining this process. That way you can quickly create professional looking documents, contracts, Any other forms that you have, submit those to your client and get you back out there winning jobs. And that concludes today's Sweet Talk. Again, if you like what you see here, I highly encourage you to take a look at what all we have to offer. Check out the other videos that we have available to you. As always, I'm Ben. Thanks for tuning in and have a great day.